Nestled in the heart of Davao City, the Lon Wa Temple stands as one of the largest Buddhist temples in the Philippines, inviting visitors into a realm of serenity and spiritual reflection. With its name meaning Temple of the Dragon, Lon Wa is more than just a place of worship. It is a testament to the harmonious blend of Chinese culture and Filipino hospitality. As you approach the temple, towering marble pillars and intricately carved archways welcome you. Their designs inspired by classical Chinese architecture, lush gardens and well-tended bonsai trees line the path, creating an atmosphere of peace that envelops all who enter. The gentle sound of wind chimes and the subtle fragrance of incense drift through the air, encouraging visitors to slow down, breathe deeply, and leave behind the bustle of daily life. Inside, the main prayer hall is adorned with vibrant lanterns and golden statues of the Buddha and Bodhisattvas. The walls are decorated with colorful murals depicting ancient stories and teachings, each one illustrating the core values of compassion, wisdom, and harmony. Monks in saffron robes move quietly through the halls, their presence a reminder of the temple's ongoing commitment to meditation and service. Lon Wa Temple is not just a sanctuary for the local Chinese-Filipino community. It is open to everyone, welcoming those who seek knowledge, comfort, or simply a moment of tranquility. Throughout the year, the temple hosts cultural celebrations and charity events, fostering a spirit of unity and goodwill. Whether you come to admire the artistry, participate in a service, or find a peaceful corner to reflect, the Lon Wa Temple offers a unique window into both spiritual tradition and the vibrant tapestry of Davao's multicultural heritage.